How are we doing, everybody? Jonathan here, and in this video and in about 5 minutes or less, I'm going to tell you why I left Trainerize and how I replaced it with something more efficient for me and my business. All right, now I tried Trainerize a couple of times, but it just didn't work for me, and here's why. When it comes to the application itself, you have to understand that a lot of my clients are a little bit older or are not that tech savvy. So the idea of having them do their workouts from an app and also having an existing website became problematic for some of them because they just didn't understand the tech. And when it came to putting together workouts, it is a bit time consuming. And I found that the much more efficient and easier way to send out workouts would be through Google Sheets or through PDFs. I like Google Sheets a lot, where essentially you can write out the client's workout, and then all you have to do is send them a link, and clients understand, just click on the link, you can view your workout, and whatever updates they make to their spreadsheet, you're able to see in real time. Now, I've started building websites for trainers and teaching them how to do online training, which I'll tell you about in a little bit. But one of the biggest areas of pushback that I got was that when they're on Trainerize, they like the fact that the client can go over to the exercise, click it, and then it'll open up a video pop-up of an exercise demonstration. So how did I navigate this? Well, I built out a membership section in the back end of my own existing website, where once a client signs up with me, they have access to this membership area. This is only for paying clients. And when it comes to online personal training, if they had a workout and they didn't understand an exercise, they would go over to the exercise explanation list. Like, let's say they want to do ball slams, they would go over to the video, they would click it, and then they can watch the ball slam demonstration. They know how to do it. They might watch it once or twice. All right. And then for the trainers that have the platform for their own websites, they can make their own videos just like you do with Trainerize. But moreover, I had a lot of clients who were not interested in online personal training, but just wanted a follow along workout. So we also built in a training on demand, where essentially the client can go in, they can click on a full workout, 40, 50 minutes long, and then they can blow it up on their computer or on their desktop or their laptop, whatever the case may be, and they can follow along with the workout. I have the timer, I have the workout written out, I have demonstrations of my clients who did it previously with me, and then they can just pay for access to my training on demand. All right, and there are a lot of other things that go into this membership section that makes life a lot easier. For instance, clients can pay for their packages directly from the page, so you don't need to take Cash App or anything like that. If you're doing virtual one-on-one training and you want your clients to schedule their next appointment, they can go over to the scheduler, and then they can schedule their next appointment directly with you for a one-on-one or for a follow-up. Or if you're doing online personal training and you want your clients to check in like they do with Trainerize, we just put out a workout check-in section, and then your information is going to be entered here. It hit check in the workout. And then I also built out an automated spreadsheet where if you wanted to check your check-in history, you can simply go over to the check-in history, and then you can filter out one specific client that you want to see. And then if you are having a one-on-one with this client, you can just click on their name. And then when you do the one-on-one, you can go over all the workouts that they did. You can go over all of their notes, and then you're all set. Furthermore, I monetize my membership area. So if somebody wanted to buy exercise equipment, they can go over to my exercise equipment list. They can buy it directly off of Amazon. Then I would get a commission for everything that they buy. If they wanted to buy supplements, they can go over to Amazon, click on the link. I get a commission for everything that they buy. If they want to buy apparel, they can go over to my apparel store. I don't have to carry inventory on any of this stuff. And then they can click it, buy it directly from my shirt shop, and then I get a commission for whatever they buy. And then just like Trainerize, if they wanted to put in their measurements, they can submit their measurements, including their progress pictures, and that'll be sent over to me, including their weight, anthropometric measurements, performance notes, progress pictures. All that stuff is in just like I would get with Trainerize. So that's the back end of the website. What does the front end look like? So I built this website platform for a number of different trainers. Here's a trainer over in Australia. I essentially replicated the Wix templates that they use for trainers and fitness. So on the front end, you get a regular website where they can learn a little bit more about you. So this is a guy over in Australia. This is a trainer over in the UK. Essentially, we built that out. Now, this is for a multi-service website. I have a single service website. So here we just go straight into the one service, so there aren't as many buttons. But essentially, that's what I do now. I, in addition to servicing my clients with online training, build websites for other trainers. If you want to learn more about that, all you're going to do is go over to www.demelsdollars.com. Check it out, learn a little bit more about it. And then if it's for you, we can set up a consultation and talk about it. So That's about it. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below. And as always, remember to eat healthy, hydrate, drive safe. Stress levels are great, don't slap anybody. Love your clients, stay out of their back. I'll see y'all tomorrow or the next day, and you have a good one.